You put your car in reverse and nothing shows up. That rear view camera should keep you safe, but it's not working. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, double check that your camera lens isn't covered in dirt or ice. Give it a gentle wipe with a soft cloth. Still nothing? Let's move inside. Turn your ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Put the car in reverse and look at the display. If it's still blank or glitchy, try restarting your vehicle. No luck? Check for blown fuses. The rear view camera fuse is in your fuse box. Your owner's manual will help you find it. If it's blown, replace it with a new one that matches the number. Still stuck? Sometimes the camera's wiring gets loose or damaged, especially near the trunk latch. If you feel comfortable, inspect the wiring for any obvious damage, but don't force anything. If all else fails, it might be a software issue. Try resetting your infotainment system by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Remember, if you're unsure, it's always safest to talk to a professional. But often a simple fix gets your GMC Acadia's rear view camera working fast. Stay safe and drive smart.